Does your desktop look like this? This is so messed up. So I'm gonna show you how you can go about it if your desktop looks so ugly like this. Okay, in just some few minutes. So first off, right click on your keyboard. Oh my god, right click on your screen and then go all the way to view and then all the way to this area. This area is marked, so you're gonna unmark it. Okay, unmark it. So unmark and then boom, whole desktop is neat and clean. So nice. You're welcome. Or if you wanna arrange everything, so we're gonna bring the whole messed up screen back again. So go to view and then mark it again and then boom, it's back again. But this time around we're gonna arrange it. Maybe you don't want your icons to disappear on the screen, or like you don't want to see it. I mean, you want to see it somewhere, you just don't want to make it disappear. So we're just gonna arrange it, but you don't need to do it one after the other. I mean, that's gonna be a lot of work. So I'm gonna show you the best way you can do that. So on the screen again, you right click and then you go all the way to sort. It is right here. And here you are gonna see name, size, item type, and then date modify. So the name, this whole icons is going to be arranged based on in the alphabetical order, you know what I mean? And then when you go to size, these whole icons are going to be arranged based on the size of the icon or whatever you have. And then this item type is where you're going to arrange your files, your icons, your whatever, based on the item types you have, and then here on the date modify is going to be arranged based on the date, right from the ascending order. So here we're just going to do it right from name. So you're going to arrange and then boom, so place looks more arranged. You don't need to do it one after the other. So you can follow for more, and subscribe if you're new, and still keep liking it and then watch out for more videos.